Hey friends, my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. I just built this raised bed out of free wood that I found on the side of the road someone was disposing of, and I filled it up. Here's how that process went. This is some free wood I got on the side of the road. Wood is expensive right now, so I'm happy to have one free raised bed. I put old rabbit bedding with lots of rabbit poop in it because rabbit poop is an excellent fertilizer. I just got my workout moving these across the yard. Excellent rich soil. 1 bag, 2 bags, 3 bags, 4 bags, 5 bags. Okay, flatten the soil out with my shovel. I'm going to plant dark green zucchini, early yellow straight neck squash, and some radishes, early scarlet globe. I put 6 zucchini, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here are my yellow neck squash. I'm gonna plant them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm gonna push all these down. Direct sowing is so much less work than starting inside, babying them and bringing it outside and all that. There we go. Okay, here are my radish seeds. I'm gonna just sprinkle them around. These were just 25 cents at Dollar Tree, so get yourself some radishes. They say radishes supposedly helps against squash bugs, but if anything else, at least you have another food in with your squash plants if your squash plants aren't successful, right? Thanks for watching. Bye.